tried to tell you I didn't know how to stay. You believe she can see through, cutting at the silent clay. A relief, back in deep blue, fettered in the magnet sun. Eat the gun as it feeds you, spitting up the oxygen once again. Once again. Once again. Empty horses gallop through the violet door, follow red crooked courses, shadows on the moonlit